I'm currently in Pakistan and I'm about to go on the second most dangerous road in the whole world. We have to drive on a thin cliff edge with a huge drop. This is our car. The Jeep situation. Joe moves his leg, not the gear stick. So we're about 5 minutes into the journey and they've pulled over and said something is missing and they're checking the engine. They actually don't have a handbrake for this car, so they put a rock. What is missing?
Fuel.
Fuel?
Yes.
You forgot to put fuel in. New Jeep is here. Got a new driver. It's a bit fast. This is the drop. Driver's on the phone. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh shit. Oh my fucking god. This is the most stupid thing I've ever done in my life. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Why have I done this? This started off as funny, it's actually not funny anymore. Like, I want to get out. I want to go home. Why have I done this? We've stopped for a picture point. I'm on the verge of tears. This is the most terrifying thing I've ever done in my life.